I came all the way from Nigeria on a 7-hour flight to Dubai just to attend ICCA. It's been very rewarding for me to take the entire Sugarcraft model. Hi, my name is Chanai Kayla Matari. I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Delta State, Nigeria, but I reside in Abuja. I've been a librarian for the past 7 years, working at Bayes University Library, Abuja. When I came to ICCA and I got into the patisserie department, we learned how to make desserts, how to bake cakes, but I wanted something extra. So I was in the kitchen when the last batch graduated and I met Chef Nasreen. I've learned a lot from modeling to sugar paste to fondant, and with the skills I have learned so far and the technicality, I'm beginning to really feel confident to go start running, to open and run my own business back in Nigeria. So it's been amazing. I'm hoping that in a few years back, I can come to ICCA and they'll be glad they had me as an alumni. Thank you.